In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit transparent videos on Wix. Whether you're building a stunning website for your business, a portfolio, or just a personal blog, knowing how to add visually engaging transparent videos can really elevate your design. So let's dive right in and get started by opening the Wix website editor. If you've already set up your account and website, just head over to wix.com, log in, and choose the site you want to work on. Once you're in the Wix editor, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see an option called Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we can add a variety of features to enhance our website's appearance, from text boxes and images to, of course, videos. The next thing you want to do is browse through the categories and click on Decorative. This might seem a bit unexpected since we're adding a video, but Wix categorizes transparent videos under this section because they often serve as decorative elements that can be layered over other content. Next, you'll see an option labeled Transparent Video. Click on this. Doing so will open up a library of transparent videos available on Wix. These are pre-designed video clips with transparent backgrounds, which means they can blend seamlessly into any page design you have. Take a moment to browse through the selection and choose a transparent video that aligns with the branding and messaging of your website. Found one you like? Perfect. Click on it to add it to your site. Once your video is placed, you might notice that it doesn't fit with your layout perfectly. But don't worry, Wix allows you to easily change the video. Simply click on Change Video. This is a great tool because it lets you swap out your existing video for another without needing to re-add elements or redo your layout adjustments. Now, if you want to further customize how this video functions within your site, look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will allow you to adjust parameters like autoplay, looping, and even visibility settings. Here you have control over how your users will interact with the video content as they navigate around your site. Next, head over to the Design tab. This will open up several customization options that allow you to tailor the video's appearance to match your overall site design. Here, you can adjust the video's borders, shadows, and other stylistic features. Lastly, click on Highlight. This is particularly useful if you want to make the video stand out on your page, drawing attention to it as a key feature of your site design. You can play around with different effects and choose the one that best fits the premium look you're going for. And that's it! You've successfully added a transparent video to your Wix site and learned how easy it is to customize it in a way that perfectly complements your design. Always remember to preview changes before publishing to ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for watching and happy site building!